With the holiday season right around the corner, I think a lot of people will be looking for affordable, high-quality tech gifts. And if you're someone looking for a pair of earbuds that aren't outrageously expensive but are still packed with a ton of features, our channel sponsor TOZO is back again to show off their brand new NC20 earbuds. If you've been following the channel for a while, this isn't our first time working with TOZO, as a while back we took a look at their bud-style earbuds with the NC9s, which were great as that jack-of-all-trades, best overall value kind of experience. While the NC20s that we're checking out today, on the other hand, are targeting more of an affordable audiophile type of person. They have a more STEM style look and some truly high-end audio features at a price that's really hard to beat. For example, the TOZO NC20s have support for the LDAC codec, which is Sony's high-resolution audio codec. The biggest benefit of this is the ability to transmit roughly 3 times more data than the standard Bluetooth headphones, which allows for more clarity, detail, and in my experience, LDAC does sound better than the standard SBC or AAC codecs, but you do have to have good source files. You do have to really pay attention to the audio, and obviously you need to use a high fidelity service that offers it, like Apple Music, Amazon Music, Tidal, or Spotify as a few examples. And the second part of this experience that's producing that sound is TOZO's exclusive SDLC patented technology. Long story short, it's basically a marketing name for their driver tech, which uses a diamond-like carbon diaphragm that is both incredibly rigid and lightweight. From my understanding, a more rigid driver material is great because it allows for more clear, accurate, and distortion-free sound. It also allows for a more tight and controlled bass that doesn't drown out the rest of the music. It's probably the #1 reason the audio stays so clean and clear on these headphones, even in more busy sounding tracks. But of course, most earbuds aren't complete these days without active noise cancellation, which is also available here. Great to see, especially for a more budget pair of earbuds. The NC20s actually feature hybrid active noise cancellation, which uses the microphones outside to hear and cancel noise, but also mics on the inside that capture anything else that leaks in. And again, for this price, it's surprisingly effective. At just 30% volume, it blocks out a lot of general white noise like the constant sound of a fan blowing, for example. At around 50 or 60%, it's blocking out most background chatter, and at 70 plus, you're pretty much completely siloed off from the world, so you can ignore everyone and everything as long as you'd like. Finally, to make that sound more engaging, the NC20s also have immersive spatial audio. This creates a virtual 3D soundscape simulating a multi-speaker setup inside of your head. It's fantastic for watching movies as it makes the whole experience feel a bit more cinematic. It's also great for gaming, giving you a better sense of direction, and for some music tracks, it can really open it up and make it feel more like a live performance. And while all these features are great, the part that really impressed me is how many quality of life features TOZO packed into the NC20s at this budget price point. You get wireless charging for the case. You get full touch controls, including the ability to change your volume right from the earbud, something that the more expensive Pixel Buds A series cannot do. And the battery life on these things is actually pretty great. On paper, we get a total of 80 hours with 15 on a single charge with active noise cancellation off, and 65 hours of total playtime when you're charging with the case. Keeping track of your remaining battery is pretty easy as well, since there's a little LED display so you know the status, or you can check within the app itself, which I forgot to mention is really great, by the way. There are just so many features in this thing, from EQ settings to low latency mode, dual device connection, AI features like transcribing or live translate. There is just so much here packed into a STEM style bud that I find incredibly comfortable, and they sound pretty great for the price. And listen, for a pair of earbuds that costs this little, it's great value that you're getting the high-res LDAC support, quality, hybrid active noise cancellation, spatial audio, wireless charging, and so much more. There is a lot to love here, so if you're looking for that perfect affordable holiday gift or just want to treat yourself, the TOZO NC20s are certainly worth taking a look at. If you want to learn more, check them out for yourself via a link down in the description, and huge thanks to TOZO for sponsoring this 9 to 5 Google video. TOZO, too good for sound.